Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about virtual data room, VDRs in pharmaceutical research, how VDR assist in securely sharing research data in the pharmaceutical. Virtual data rooms play a critical role in securely sharing research data in the pharmaceutical industry. Pharmaceutical research involves handling highly sensitive and confidential information such as drug formulation, clinical trial results, patient data, and intellectual property. VDRs offer a secure and efficient way to manage, share, and collaborate on other critical data sets while maintaining confidently and compliance with regulatory requirements. Here's how to VDR assist in securely sharing research data in pharmaceutical research. Data security. VDRs are equipped with robust security features, including encryption, multi-factor authentication, and access controls. These measures protect data from unauthorized access and databases, which are especially important when dealing with sensitive research data. Number 2, access control. VDRs allow administrator to define and manage user roles and permission. Research partners and collaboration can be granted a specific access right, ensuring that only authorized individuals can view, edit, or download data. Document version control. VDRs maintain detailed recorded document version and changes by users. This feature is vital for tracking, revision, and ensuring that the most up-to-date information is always accessible. Audit trails. VDRs provide audit trails that record every action taken within the platform. This audit trail can be invaluable for compliance purposes with investigators, ensuring transparency and accountability. Number 5, collaboration.